Welcome to the Squirrel Cloud Menu Management series. In this video, we'll walk through how to add a new menu entry in the Management console. From the Daily Setup section, click Menu, then select Menu Entries. Here you'll see all the menu entries in your system, listed alphabetically. The quickest way to add something new is to copy an existing entry that's already similar. When you copy, all the settings from the original are duplicated, except the name. To find the one you want to copy, use the search bar or the category dropdown. Once you've copied it, just add the name. Adjust any settings that need to be different, and save. Now, let's create one from scratch so we can review all the settings. Click Add Menu Entry. You'll land on the General tab. This is where you set the basic details. Required fields are highlighted in red. They'll turn green once complete. Name. Type the name of the new item. Type. Select the type from the dropdown. Explained in the Understanding Menu Entry Types video. Status, leave as active if you want it to appear at the POS. Requisition name. Optional label that prints on requisitions. Doesn't affect guest checks. This can be left blank if you don't wish the item to print differently on requisitions. Category. Assign to the appropriate category. Text group. Printer group. Choose these as needed. Open name. Allow staff to enter a custom name at the POS if selected. Open price. Has the POS prompt for a price to be entered for the item. Great for variable items like market price specials. Prices. Set prices for each price list, such as regular and happy hour. If open price is turned on, you won't see this section. Pop-up section. If this item should trigger a pop-up, for example, preparation options or upsells, set it here. Type. Choose pop-up group or pop-up screen. Name. Select the pop-up you want. Repeat to add more than one. They will appear at POS in the order that shows here. Product Codes tab. If you want the item to be ordered using a product code, set it up here. Transformations tab. Items and non-revenue items only. If this entry can be transformed, like turning a highball into a double highball, choose the transformer, the category it converts to, and the final menu entry it becomes. If the transformer doesn't exist yet, save this entry, create the transformer, then return to finish linking it. We'll cover transformers in another video. Layout tab. Here you can assign the entry to a menu or pop-up screen. You can also do this later, which is handy if you're adding multiple items. We'll go over menu and pop-up screens in separate videos. Countdowns tab. If there's a limited number of this item available, set the countdown here. By default, items are unlimited. You can also set countdowns directly from the POS. More on this in our countdowns video. Kitchens tab. If you use a kitchen display system, configure the settings here to ensure orders are routed correctly. Once everything's complete, click Save Menu Entry. Provided that you have added it to a screen, your new item is now ready for use at the POS. That's how to add a new menu entry. Remember, if you're adding something similar to an existing item, The copy feature can save you a lot of setup time. Keep watching for more videos in the Squirrel Cloud Menu Management series to build your skills.